The elliptical machine is a popular piece of equipment for cardio. Exercising on the elliptical trainer has many benefits. It works on the lower and upper body and burns calories while you listen to songs or watch your favorite show. And yes, it is safer compared to a treadmill and is easy on your knees. Nowadays, world fitness is a primary requirement no matter what work you do and how you do it. If you are not fit, you will struggle to succeed in it, but in a busy life, we need a workout that can give us the benefits of full body workout in a few minutes. One such workout is the elliptical machine. It is one of the most versatile and easy to use workout machines, which has multiple benefits. Here are some awesome benefits of doing the elliptical machine workout. It increases cardiovascular stamina while using the elliptical machine. Your heart and lungs need to work harder to pump oxygen to your muscles. This strengthens your heart and helps in increasing your stamina and performance. Lower body strength. The pedaling or stair climbing action of the elliptical machines targets the leg muscles. It acts on the quadriceps, hamstrings, hip flexors, glutes, and calves. Helps in weight loss. Using this machine can burn 200 to 400 calories in 30 minutes. If you are on a weight loss mission, this machine will be an excellent choice for you. Easy on your joints compared to other exercises like running on a treadmill and jump rope. This workout is pretty easy on your knees. If you are struggling with knee-related issues and still want to work out, you should try it. Tones your body while doing an elliptical machine. Work out all the muscles of your body are engaged and activated. This results in the toning of your waist, belly, thighs, and calf muscles very beautifully. Easy to do. The elliptical machine is very easy to use. You don't need a personal trainer to use it correctly. You can do your own research and start using it in the comfort of your home. It takes less space. If you want to buy an elliptical trainer for your family, it is easy to handle and can be moved effortlessly. It takes relatively less space as compared to other gym machines. Blood pressure. Spending just 5 minutes on the elliptical machine can help you feel less stressed. That's because exercising releases serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Serotonin has blood pressure lowering or anti-hypertensive effects. The elliptical trainer is a great way to start with. If you have not done exercise for a long time, it is good for all age groups and beneficial for many fitness requirements.